Good afternoon, Tezos fans. It's Mac here from Kryptstar Staking, your favorite bakery on the Tezos blockchain. And today I have one of the most exciting projects that I have seen on Tezos, and there's a reason for that. I love lizards. All right? Get away from me. And I also love NFTs. And these guys at Tezzardz, they've combined my two favorite things into one thing. And that is Tezzardz and little fuckers. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Anyways, at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned to the very end where I will announce how you can enter the contest to win your very own Tezzard. If you want to go ahead and get your own fucker, as of right now, the price is extremely high. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and navigate all the tools on the Tezos ecosystem to find the rarest and cheapest Tezzard just for you. Now, if you like this channel and you want to get the most up-to-date Tezos news, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell below. Also, if you really want to stay up-to-date every day on the latest Tezos news, please follow me on my Twitter account. And there I post every day the latest Tezos news, the latest airdrops, the latest minting NFTs, and you can get in before everybody else does so you can get some of the really good drops. Now, let's get to it. So first, I'm going to take you guys to the Tezzard homepage. Now, about 5 days ago, they had the Tezzard minting going on. It was 3 a.m. in Tokyo. I stayed up for 3 hours minting. What are Tezzards? Tezzards are a collection of programmatically, randomly generated, snazzy little fuckers on the Tezos blockchain. Each and every one of these fuckers, horrible little boogers, is unique and illustrated by hand. The Tezzard's collection consists of 4,200 pieces. Each piece is a combination of 97 hand-drawn traits, putting the possibilities in the billions. That means that each and every one of these Tezzards is actually unique. Okay, there's no two Tezzards the same. I'm going to show you the rarity chart later. However, in all honesty, they're all equally rare because there's only one of them. In addition, 6 super rare one-on-one hand-drawn Tezzards are hidden within the collection, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what those are in just a second. Okay, so basically it was a random allocation from the very beginning. And 24 hours after you minted the Tezzards, your eggs hatched into a little monster. And they're going to go ahead and list on object.com, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Now the roadmap, there is no roadmap. And are they going to be able to breed them in the future? Are you out of your mind? That means yes, for sure. Now, let's go over to the tool that you can use to go ahead and look at the rarity of the little fuckers. And this is a tool created by the team. So I mean, if you like a rarity 500, you just get the 500. This is just for prestige, honestly. If you want to just have a new profile picture, I mean, there's some really cool looking ones that aren't in the top 60. Some of these look really weird anyway. However, they are all unique. Now, these top 6 right here, this ghost, this skeleton one, and then they have the cyber looking one, and then they have the skin wrangler. He's kind of creepy looking, and the burglar or the robber, and these two right here, the naked one or the see-through, and the ghost one. Okay, so these are the 6. And you can go ahead and what you do is you can right click on them and open link in new tab, and it takes you right to that Tezzard, and you can see what the pricing is. So this one has no bids or anything. Anyways, so you can go ahead and search for the kind of skin patterns and clothing that you want, and then you can go ahead and check to see if it's for sale. So this fuck yeah sweater, you can click on that. Okay, so like you can see here, I chose the Nishi shirt. I don't know what it means. I think it means fuck you, nitty shirt. But anyways, this is a really rare item, and you can see there's only a few Tezzards with this. So this tells you if they have the nice sweater or the belt. Without more to do, let's go ahead and head over to their Discord. And I want to show you the parts of their Discord that you need to know about. Basically, you can go to the facts section and you can find out who the artists are. You can find out how much they costed from the very beginning. Find out if there was an old breed, so you can actually buy the older versions of these Tezzards. And you can also adopt them on tezzards.xyz on the launch day, but now we can buy them on object.com. Now, they have a little announcement section here. This is where the secret CSV file is hidden. This CSV file tells you the rarities of all of the Tezzards. Now, I don't know why they didn't put this in the facts section, to be honest, but they put it right here in the announcement section. So go ahead and download that, and I've downloaded it here for you today so I can demo. So for example, you open up this file, this CSV file, and I opened it up with, numbers on Mac. So I open up this file, and I can see I look for number 366 and I press enter. I hit Control F, and then it shows me 366. It's right here. And this is, that's the middle one is actually the ranking. So you want to find the actual Tezzard number 366. So you can see the Tezzard number 366. Its ranking is 3434. Okay, and then this is the score. So if you buy a Tezzard, or if you're thinking about buying a Tezzard, make sure you download this Excel document and try and match this number, and then kind of see what the price range is for the ranking, because this will be a small indicator of how much you can sell it for later. Okay, now if you want to find out the current floor price, and here's the chat room, right? This is a Desert Lounge. These are some cool memes. Now, but the main key, you want to go to the sales bot, and you can see how things are selling on the market. So it looks like right now the floor is $295. Let's go ahead and check right now what the floor is again. You type in exclamation mark floor, and boom, looks like they're still going for as low as $295 Tezos. That is about $1,500. So now let's go ahead and head over to, let me think, which one's good? How about this one? They have all these TV heads. Now we have this jokester here. Let's head over to this guy. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down here. So you can see this is Tezzard number 1697. And as you can see here, he was number, what was it? Rank 23. And oh wow, you can see he's priced very high at 20,000. That seems like a normal price, I guess. I know that one of these guys recently sold for about 5,000 Tez. So I wouldn't be surprised if he sold for 20,000. It looks like you can buy it from this guy. Yeah, you got a little nice hat and everything, got all these cool traits. And then you can head over to Tezzardz, another way you can organize the Tezzardz. What I do is I go to the Tezzardz homepage here on object.com, and then I go down here to view all. You know, one thing it doesn't have the floor price on here. Interesting. So make sure when you're looking at these Tezzardz that you're looking at the official logo of the Tezzardz, because there are some copy minters out there, so don't get caught unawares and get scammed. So it looks like these are basically the most recently listed Tezzardz, right? So they have this one right here for $399. They have this one for $20,000 as well. Wow. Okay. So it looks like people are really doing high listings here. Wow. Okay. And then you can also do low to high. And the best way to go ahead and get the best bang for your buck if you're trying to do like NFT investments is you have to go here, copy and paste this one. So this one's 4085, right? And then we can go to here, this thing, remember? And hit Control F, and then we can go ahead and find it. And there should only be, oh, there it is right here. So remember, this is the Tezzard number, and this is its ranking. So this is 3722. So it's pretty low on the rankings. Okay, so this is the kind of one you probably want to buy if you just want to have a Tezzard and pay the cheapest amount. But just make sure you use that tool for each of these Tezzards and to see what rank it is, so you can get the best bang for your buck. And just know that things like this, the fake mask, that's a rare item. Also, long tongues tend to be rarer. So as you look, and once you get used to like the traits and everything, you can kind of get a feel for how rare a Tezzard is. White skin is extremely rare. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys in regards to Tezzard research. Make sure you check out the Discord channel like I showed you before. They have a lot of useful information on there, and they can get you started. And just review this video and review what I told you, and you should be good to go. Now, as I promised, I have an extremely tasty treat for all of you. Kryptstar Staking is giving away 5 Tezzards. 5 Tezzards. And at 300 Tez a piece, that equals about, I'm really bad at math. That's 1,500 Tez. Now, 1,500 times 5 is equal to 7.5 grand. 7.5 grand. And that giveaway is for you guys. 5 of the lucky winners can go ahead and get their own Tezzard. They can take care of and nourish for the rest of its PNG life. All right, so if you want to get into this contest, be sure to check out my Twitter channel. I will leave a link to the tweet below. Just go ahead and tag 3 friends, retweet and tag 3 friends, and comment on the Twitter account. I know it's complicated, but this is a huge giveaway, and I think it's fair to ask you to go ahead and just blast it across the freaking galaxy, because we want everyone to have the opportunity to have a Tezzard. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Catch you next time.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to Twitter and hashtag the things. Pump it. You know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.